What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Stellhorn RV YouTube channel. I'm Brody, and today we're taking a look at this 2026 Puma Camping Edition 18 BHCE. So this unit today that we're going to take a look at has one slide out. It is 23 feet long and about 4,100 pounds. It also has an outdoor micro camp kitchen, which is nice, and it features bunks and a dinette on the inside, as well as this new logo that Puma came out with. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, you guys, welcome to the inside of this 18 BHCE. Right in front of us, we do have that queen size RV bed. There is also an option for this unit to come with that Murphy bed, which is the kind of sofa that essentially folds out into a bed. But let's go ahead and take a look at the storage over here. It's gonna be a nice little t-shirt closet with some overhead space right above. Then let's head over here. We do have a nice U-shaped dinette, which does give it that extra length, especially if you're gonna have, I believe this unit sleeps up to 8 people. And so this large dinette can definitely help reach that sleeping capacity. And so over here we've got our kitchen area. Some storage above. Furrion microwave, 2-burner cooktop, no oven in this unit just because it is on the smaller side. This is a camping edition by Puma, so they tend to focus more on the essentials in this unit. So let's take a look. Well, here's the sink first off, but let's take a look at some of the storage below. A little storage for your silverware. And an extra drawer, and a little storage there. Now let's take a look at this fridge. This is a dual swinging fridge, so it is nice if you have somebody over here who's sleeping in one of these bunks. They can easily grab a snack at night right out of the fridge. Which, if it were me, that'd be pretty nice. So, and then we've got that typical drawer, kind of freezer. And here we do have the TV mount with all your TV hookups that you would need right above. Let's take a closer look at these bunks. All right, and then let's go ahead and enter the bathroom. Standard foot flush toilet. It's kind of nice that they do give you 3 shelves. And then over here we do have the vanity. Here do give you some outlets there as well. Let's check out what's below. A little bit of storage down there. At least there's 2 levels to it. Alright guys, that about covers the inside. So let's go ahead, head out to the outside and take a look. Alright guys, back to the outside of this unit. Let's take a look here. We do have, unfortunately it does not have the power tongue jack, but that's okay. The hand crank always gets the job done. Then we have our propane right here. Then we do have a complete pass-through here, which is accessible from the inside if needed. We also have that awning. Not too sure what the length is, but that will be listed earlier in the video in the spec sheet. Let's go ahead and hit on this logo again. Take a look at that, guys. And then here is what they call the micro camp kitchen. So basically you're going to get everything that you would need in an outdoor kitchen, but it's going to be a little more compact just because it is going to be kind of on these smaller units that are like single axle type of units. So we do have the griddle, nice little Greystone griddle right there. You also get that sink with a drawer below for all those griddle tools that you need to cook up whatever you're liking on. And then we do have a nice little mini fridge right here as well, guys. So yeah, guys, I think that's about gonna cover it for the 18 BHC Puma Camping Edition. This unit is a great unit. It's very practical, as most Pumas are. So if you guys want to take a deeper dive look into that, I will have this unit linked in the description. I felt like this was a good unit to do because the 121 Camping Edition did really well on the channel. So I figured, you know, I'd come out with something else that is pretty similar, but a little bit bigger, but, you know, really practical as well, has that camp kitchen and can sleep a few more people as well, for people who are maybe looking more for something like that. So yeah, guys, that's going to wrap it up here at Stellhorn RV for this video. We will see you guys in the next one.